guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. So today's video is basically about Moringa tree, which is also known as the miracle tree, and how it benefits our skin, nails and hair, and why every woman should take it in her diet. So to know all about it, just watch the full video, and especially you ladies out there, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that you can watch all those future videos easily. So let's get started without further ado. So moringa has various uses ranging from mosquito repellent, water purification, fodder for animals, but it is famous for being nature's multivitamin because it offers great benefits to human health. So what are the ingredients in it that has given it the name of a miracle tree? Let's just find out. Moringa is loaded with vitamins and has got high content of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, which is essential for good skin, hair, bones, and nails. It is the only tree in the world that has got all the essential amino acids required for humans. And out of 20, moringa has 18 amino acids present in it. Because moringa is loaded with antioxidants, it helps prevent the formation of free radicals, which damage cells and cause cancer. And being rich in riboflavin and iron, it is great for people who are suffering from anemia, and because it has got 7 times more iron than spinach, so it is great to reduce iron deficiency. And because it's full of protein as well. One of the great thing about moringa is that it is full of protein, so it can make you full like really fast and for a longer period of time. So you can reduce your belly fat by munching on these beautiful leaves, and the taste is not that bad either. I mean, it's a mix between spinach and rocket leaves, and it can be acquired after you take it for a few times. So yeah, it's great to reduce cholesterol, it's great to reduce blood pressure, it's great for people who are suffering from diabetes, it's great to reduce weight. I mean, the qualities are you cannot just describe them in words. It's like full of benefits, but the care that you need to take while using moringa, that you should take it, especially people who are suffering from diabetes and cholesterol problems and are on medication, that you should take it with the advice of your doctor. Okay, so we know now what great qualities this moringa tree possess, but where is this tree found, and what's the native land of this tree? So let's just find it out. This beautiful miracle plant called Moringa Oliferia is basically native to northern India, or to pinpoint, it's native to the Siraiki belt of Pakistan, and you would find that in abundance near Rahim Yar Khan, Multan, Bihari. So it's basically a Siraiki plant, and in the local language it's known as Suhanjana. Suhanjana, and Urdu and Hindi it's called Sajna. And despite the harsh condition that moringa faces, be it hot or cold, drought or rainy weather, it survives really well. And the leaves are green, the flowers are full, and the seeds are full of aromatic oil. So it's a really, really generous tree that keeps on giving and giving. So, when was it identified as a beneficial plant, and since when the humans are using it? Let's find out. History of moringa dates back to 150 BC, or probably older than that. It's believed that Mauryan soldiers of the great emperor Chandragupta Maurya used to drink moringa tea for stress relief and for strength. So when the forces of Alexander the Great came into this region. And after he defeated King Porus at the famous Battle of Hydaspes River, which is Jhelum River now, he decided to move forward, but then met with Mauryan soldiers, or I'd like to call it Moringa soldiers, and he was defeated there. And not only Moringa soldiers defeated Alexander the Great, but he actually left his conquest of India and left for Babylon, his homeland. So the purpose of the story, which is a great story, is that moringa has been used since ancient times because of its numerous benefits. But then how it was revived in the modern time, it happened so that in between 1997 and 1998, Church World Service and Alternate Action for African Development started testing the moringa powder on pregnant and nursing women in southwest Senegal, because access to important medicines they were very expensive and was not that easily available. So they started doing that. Started testing moringa benefits on women who were suffering from malnutrition and kids who were suffering from malnutrition. And they did so by employing the local health workers over there who, made the moringa powder from the dried moringa leaves and then started distributing to the local population over there. And the kids who had severe malnutrition, within 3 weeks they became healthy and active and playful again, who once they came with droopy eyes. So it just did wonders. And after that tremendous result, WHO labeled moringa as the miracle tree and started promoting it throughout the world for its tremendous benefits. So that's the story of modern revival of moringa tree is all about. So how is this miracle tree beneficial to women in general who are not pregnant or who are not nursing mothers? Women face a lot of physical and mental challenges in their life because of hormonal imbalance apart from childbirth and menopause. There are issues like periods and period cramps and PCOS. In ancient times, moringa was actually used for PCOS and fibroids treatment. These days we take a lot of painkiller, especially for cramps related to period, and they're not good for the body because if you take a painkiller, then it eliminates the good bacteria as well as the bad bacteria from your gut. So it's better to go for organic stuff, and nothing can be better than taking moringa. And moringa basically not only regulates your cycle but also provides relief from cramps if you take it regularly. But care should be taken to use moringa in the right way. For example, you should not use it when you are having your periods, and you should stop using it before your period, like 2 to 3 days in advance, because otherwise it can cause a lot of discomfort in the stomach and makes it much more heavier somehow, because talking about period is a taboo topic in a patriarchal society, and it's a harsh topic. So they don't understand that half of the population actually go through it, and it can be so difficult because you have to manage your life around it, and there's a lot of pain, but you cannot talk about it, and you have to rely on chemical pills. So the stress and the anxiety actually becomes much more worse. And after taking moringa, my life has changed drastically, to say the least, because my pain level has decreased from, if you just 1 is the least and 10 is the highest in terms of pain, then it has decreased to, I'd say, 6. And I've started taking my moringa since like 3 months for now. So yeah, it has done really wonders on my body, and I would recommend every other women out there to just take moringa leaves. It's gonna transform your life, I'm sure. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on moringa and how to reduce your period cramps, naturally, without the use of chemicals. So how to take moringa? You can take moringa in any form. You can eat it raw, you can eat it cooked, you can take it in the form of smoothies. But it's actually advisable that if you are new to using moringa, that you should take it between the meals, preferably after the breakfast and before lunch, because it can cause a lot of irritation in the stomach, discomfort in the stomach. So it's better to take it between the meals, in the form of smoothies, but I prefer taking it in the form of tea after dinner. And I have actually switched to taking raw moringa leaves in the morning after my breakfast, because it's the most natural form of moringa that you can take. And Punjab, they actually eat the flowers and they make some sort of a dish with moringa leaves and moringa flowers. You can eat moringa in that way, but then the more you cook it, the more the benefits of moringa is lost. So make sure that you take it in the raw or the dry form as much as you can. So, and moringa can actually be used in skincare and for great hair. Although I consider the best way to take the benefits of moringa is by taking it orally, but you can actually make a face pack from dried moringa leaf powder mixed with yogurt and honey on your face to reduce acne and inflammation. And you can make also moringa hair oil to promote hair growth. So you can do, I mean, the sky is limit when it comes to moringa. You can do whatever you want and it's going to give you amazing results. Eating moringa is cheaper than any multivitamin as it's organic, and nothing can be more organic and pure than eating it right from your garden. So just go to any nursery and you can find the moringa tree, Swahanjana tree for as cheap as I guess 400-500 rupees, and you can just plant it in your house. But if you do not have access to moringa tree, then you can go for organic tablets from any pharmacy. Or organic moringa powder, but make sure to include it in your diet because it's a great tree that works wonder for your skin and for your overall health. So I hope that you have liked this video and you have gathered necessary information about moringa and the use of moringa. So till next time, take care of yourself and ciao.